Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing an adjustable rear track bar on our Jeep Rubicon. If you watched the lift install a while back, you'll see that the track bar drop mount is getting in one of the shocks. So to fix that problem, we ordered this adjustable track bar with a new shock and we'll install it today for y'all. We've got the tire off. Next thing we've got to do is pull the shock off. Just a simple 3-bolt thing. It won't take us no time. Here we go. One. There's this one. We go taking the bottom shock mount bolt out. Alright, you can see right here where the drop bracket from the lift kit got into the shock and bent it. The next step is going to be taking the track bar off along with the drop mount. It starts with this bolt, which is in the track bar mount, and this bolt, which is going through the factory location for the track bar. And there's one more bolt up here you can't see. I'll probably have to take that off camera. I'll pop these two off, and we'll reposition the camera, do the other side, that we'll have it all off and ready to go for y'all. This is the other side. Take this one bolt out and we'll have the track bar off. Alright, that's the bolt. Let's see if we can get it loose. Now to get it out. Time to assemble the track bar. It comes with the wheel side tie rod already in place. You slide your 2 clamps on and you run it down on the other side. I'm actually going to figure it up right there. Run all the way in to start before you start measuring for your adjustment. That way it's even on both sides. Once you got it put together, it's time to adjust it. What I did was take a measure from the axle side hole to where the factory track bar was mounted without a lift with that bracket on it. That gave me 40.5 inches. That's a good starting point. Once you get this installed, I've got to get a 4-wheel alignment done, so I'll let them adjust it on out. But I'm going to set this at 40.5 from center to center. So set it down. just out. There we go, 40½. Just lock the locks and install it. We're fixing to install the trap bar loosely on this end. And we'll swap it over to the other end, make sure the adjustment's out pretty good. And we'll tighten it up, put it all in. That's that stuck in. We'll swap to the other side. Alright, putting this side in now. Nut. Get it started. There's that.
That's wicked looking.
There's that. Put the shock together and put it on, we'll be done. Alright, it's time to put the replacement shock back in, so we'll get to do that next. I've got one bolt started up at the top. I'll slide one ear in. And I'll start the other bolt. That way it holds itself up for us to start the bottom one in. There's that in. Got it stuck in there, and we'll take a screwdriver, pry it up to get bolted. There we go. Alright, there's that. And just run everything up. Alright, that's everything installed, run down. Now what's left is put the tire on and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.